Have you ever thought how gratitude can actually impact your overall health and in particular your oral health? This is a very special episode for the holidays and for Thanksgiving. Before I get moving, please don't forget to put the code DENT, DENT1 to get a complimentary virtual consultation if you need some dental work done, smile makeover, implants. We are here to help you. We are located in Princeton, New Jersey, Don Blanche Dental, and we're more than happy to help you and to share some knowledge with you. Make sure that you follow and comment below about your experience with any dental work done, or if you have any questions, and make sure you share this episode with your friends. But let's go back and talk about why this particular episode is really about. So some of you who knows me in person, my name is Dr. Saad. I am a mom. I am a dentist, a cosmetic dentist, and I'm a practice owner, and I am the host of this lovely podcast. I'm also a philanthropist. I do a lot. So let's go back to dentistry first. I have 20 years of dental, I think actually over 20 years of dental experience. I think 25 now. I'm just doing the math. And I really enjoy what I do. I am practicing in New Jersey. I am also licensed to practice in Canada as well as in Egypt. So I did a lot of dentistry throughout my life. But my biggest really gift for life are my kids. So I'm a mom, and that's really my biggest gift. As I said, I'm also a cat mom for cat owners out there, and I'm a practice owner, and this is not easy. And I am also the host of this particular podcast, which I am doing this because I just want to share my knowledge with people. As I said, I've been doing this for over 25 years now, so I have a lot to share. And not just with dentists, but also with patients, like what would you do if something breaks or this or that. And also, I love to give back to the community. And how this is all like coming together, because this is the time when we start to reflect about the previous year. This is the time when we can just kind of slow down a little tiny bit. We take long weekends here and there, and this is the time when you spend time with your family and really start to think about what you did this year and how you can improve yourself and how you can make life more meaningful. So, and how this can affect your oral health, because this is what I like to talk about. So self-care is a big one. Self-care is, when you really start to take care of yourself. In order for you to take care of others, you really have to take care of yourself. So I know everybody's so busy, we're doing like a gazillion things at once, and especially, moms, dads, practice owners, business owners, we're trying to just kind of run around, and we do, like I run around like a headless chicken, but we still have to find the balance. We have to take care of ourselves and feel grounded, because this is what keeps us going and pushing forward and hustling. So self-care, just how about you try to think now, this is the time that you are going to really take care of yourself and make it a habit. And I'm talking, you wake up in the morning, you have breakfast, you take care of, for the ladies, you want to take care of yourself, and you brush and you floss. And this is a good example of really self-care. At night, before you go to bed, you're going to brush and floss. This is also self-care. This is part of self-care. And let's make it a habit every day, okay? Every day. And let's make it a habit to smile more often. I know I keep saying keep smiling, but it really is. When you keep smiling, believe it or not, your facial muscles, this is what my dad, God bless his soul, told me like many, many years ago. He told me, if you keep smiling, don't feel like you are all upset and basically you wrinkle your face. This is when you start to get, more problems in your face. And I've been following his advice since then. And I think it's working out, of course, with some creams here and there, but you just keep smiling, because a smile can bring a lot of warmth, to the person in front of you, even if it's time of like you are talking about something important and you don't want to answer, or if you think that your answer might actually make things worse, just kind of smile maybe sometimes and walk away until things cool down, and then you can go back and talk about it more in details. But what keeps me really grounded, my kids, my husband, that's my number one, and my cat, Sugar, and he's sitting there like watching me, what is she talking about? But I am very grateful for my family, and I'm very grateful for my family in the house and my family in the practice. And my family in the practice, they keep me completely balanced, all of them. And I have to say this because a lot of times I will go and I'm like, oh my God, like there is so much to do. And they are so amazing that they will take care of me as in person and be like, okay, well, this person is going to take care of this person is going to take care of that. You just do what you got to do. And we all work as a team. So teamwork really works and make the dream happen. And I'm very grateful to have a wonderful team, all of them. Letitia, Adrian, Olivia, Serge and Edie, Reina, Brandy, and April. I'm very grateful to each and every one of you guys. You are amazing, and I cannot do what I'm doing without you. And I do a lot. So yeah, well, they keep me completely grounded. They make the schedule works, they are so nice with our patients. And a lot of our patients, I think they return a lot for the experience with my staff, right? I mean, I'm just joking, but I think they like me too. I would like to think that way. But we have an amazing team, and they help me sometimes a lot actually with the koi pond and how to feed the fish and take care of the fish and do this and do that. From even watering the plants and, till scheduling patients and checking insurance and all of the fun stuff. But this is really the time to reflect. Okay, this is what I'm doing. And I said, I'm going to try this year to spend a little bit more time doing other things, like basically giving back to the community. And they helped me a lot with that. So we were able this year actually to host a couple of very big events in our office. One of them was at the beginning of the year with the amazing businesswoman Liz Elting, and it was completely different, not even dentistry related, but it was business related. So a lot of our patients, a lot of people from the community, they came, they attended, and she said, a lot of very important points about how she built her business from literally nothing to $1 billion business. And she's a role model. And also we had an amazing event with Sue Phillips. You can actually find all of that on some of the episodes too. Sue, she is an amazing perfume maker, and perfume is also part of self-care. And it was an amazing event. Everybody loved it. And she told us a lot about, how you can take care of yourself by basically, the smell, and you felt really kind of in a different world, not stressed, not running around. But my biggest really contribution this year was I'm very involved with cancer research. I know this has probably touched a lot of us. I lost my dad, unfortunately, to pancreatic cancer. That was like 11 years ago. And since then, it completely changed my life, because I watched him from being like pain-free, very healthy, very athletic, my dad was very loving to life. And then all of a sudden that disease hit, and then you start to see like completely different transformation. He was still like till the last minute really hopeful, but then that gave me the urge to try to help as much as I could. So I am joining forces with Gabrielle's Angels, because they are trying to help with cancer research. So we're trying to basically do some fundraising, and from my part, I'm donating smile makeovers for this. And it's been an incredible feel. And I urge you all to try to help and give back to the community, because something like this will make you feel good about yourself and to all the causes that you really believe in. We also did like a couple of nice events in the office too, to help out the community as well. And we will continue to help. Like we have the the local softball. We have a softball team, actually, Don Blanche team, which I'm very proud of. And just to keep going, this is not really dentally related, but stuff like this, specifically the part that you have to take care of yourself and the self-care, it makes you kind of, okay, this is time to really breathe and enjoy life and try to smell the roses, like they say, and just spend time with the family. And I want everybody, please, in the comments below, let me know what your plans are for the holidays. I might just, know about it too. Just be happy and keep smiling, because it's gonna make you look younger and feel happy, and just love yourself. That's all I can tell you today. Happy Thanksgiving, everybody. Happy holidays, everybody. And don't forget to keep smiling with Dr. Saad. Take care. And I'm also very, very grateful to all our listeners, all of you guys who have subscribed to our channel, who are watching us on YouTube or Spotify or on social media, and commenting and letting me know, if I'm doing something right or wrong, or reaching out for with dental questions. I'm more than happy to help. And I'm very grateful for every one of you. Keep doing it. Keep taking care of yourself. Keep being balanced. And big hugs and love to all of you. Take care, everybody.